Hello guys, welcome to Masalah Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Maggie. Today I'm making Maggie, and then I opened all the Maggies up. Then I got the masala, I cut it, then I put it in a small bowl. Then ask your parents for help so you don't cut your hand or get hurt. And make sure you wear gloves so when you take the masala out with your hands or something, so it doesn't get in your eyes or anything. Then I put the Maggies and I got 4 masala packets. Then I opened it with some scissors. Make sure be careful. Then if you see a small bowl, pour the masala in the small bowl. I put all 4 of them in. Make sure you're wearing gloves when doing this, so if you touch it or anything, so make sure it doesn't fly in your eyes or anything or something. Or dad to help if any type of adult is with you. So if you don't know, just ask any type of member, unless they're bigger than you. I opened all the packets, so then I threw all the packets in the trash. And I cleared up the mess so I have enough space for more things. Now I am going to put the masala in the water I already boiled. 4 cups of water, and now I am going to break the Maggie into 4 pieces. As you can see, this right here, it looks like noodles because it is. Now I broke into 4 parts. It's fine if you make mistakes, if you break it so tiny, it's fine. But make sure don't go too near the stove so you don't burn your hand, or if the water explodes like a volcano, so you don't get any in your eyes or fall down or get a fever burn. To protect yourself, just make sure you have safe stuff and ask your parents for help always, unless it's really important for cooking stuff. So then I poured the Maggie in, then I mixed it up, then I got a spatula, and then I stirred the Maggie up until it's all brown or something kind of color. Make sure no masala lumps are in there. Make sure it's all yellow. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Pour in some ketchup. You don't have to pour if you don't want to. Now I'm pouring in my ketchup. Make sure to spread it out so it doesn't stay in one place always. Then afterwards, stir it so it goes into different places, and then cover it until the noodles are completely yellow or brown, some kind of color or something, like the masala color or something, I think. See how it looks like from the side? It looks so brown like the masala. Next, cover it, and then lower the flame so the flame doesn't come out. Now we have to let it boil for 5 minutes. See you guys in 5 minutes. Now make sure ask a parent to open it for you. Then it looks like this type of color as you see here. Then stir it up. Make sure don't squeeze it. It's done now. Switch off the flame. Now I'm mixing it up to look for any masala lumps are still left in there. Now pour it in a big bowl, but don't do it yourself, or if you can, just use a spoon and then pour it one at a time. Ask your parents to pour it, though, in a bowl for you so you don't burn or something. For your own safety. It's for your own safety. Okay. Next, get a plate, spoon, and then pick up the Maggi with it, and then make sure pour it carefully so it doesn't fall anywhere else. Then that place will get hot and dirty. It might be a little bit hard to clean up, but it'll be fine. So make sure the bowl must go near the plate like a magnet so that it doesn't fall anywhere. So now I'm pouring it into my plate. If it looks delicious, comment down below. And if it's a little tangled, just use another spoon or a fork or a noodle stick. Now I'm gonna get my noodle sticks. If you guys do not know how to use noodle sticks, comment down below. So first, open it up a little bit using a finger, then squeeze some up, then twirl it, make sure it's not all the way. Then make sure just pour a little bit, then blow it if it's too hot for you to eat. Now I'm going to eat a bite of one of the lines. Make sure to read Bismillah so no shaitan is next to you and eats with you. The dua before eating is Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. And it's okay if you forget, just read Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirah. Now I already took a bite out of my Maggi. I ate it all. It was too yummy. Just do 10 blows, then it'll be cool. It was so yummy. If you guys never tasted it, taste it right now. Wow, Masalah kitchen जबरदस्त है.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल का आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी आने वाली नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलती रहें.